Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another Stream API interview question. Find and print the distinct odd numbers. Okay, so we have a list of integer given from 1 to 2, 1 to 10, and we see that 9 is coming up twice. And the ask of the question is that we need to print the distinct odd numbers. Okay, so let's code it. So we have a list given dot stream dot filter, and the predicate that we are going to provide is we need the odd numbers modulo 2 not equals to 0. Okay, dot collectors dot to list. So if you're giving a to list, then we need to collect it as a list. Let me just copy this. And what is this? Let's call it answer, and let's print the answer. Okay, so 9 is coming up twice, and that is not what we want. So after this filter, and we'll give an enter dot distinct. Okay, that works on stream of integer, so this will work just fine, and we will get our answer. Okay, so again, a very easy stream API question. So hoping you understood this. Let's catch up in the next video.